YouTube, what is up? So today I have got the Spegig Enzo case for my iPhone 15 Pro. Now this case is an Aramid fiber with a carbon finish over it. It's matte black. It's really cool looking. I picked it up off of Amazon for about 40 bucks. I'll leave links in the description for it if you're interested. But apparently this case is bulletproof. Let's get into it. Now, before we get too far into this, I just want to let you know, I will not be testing whether or not this thing is bulletproof. I can't damage my phone. It's my only phone that I have. I don't have that YouTube money. This is an Aramid fiber. It's a mixture between Aramid fiber and a TPU plastic type case. You know, it's got a carbon finish. You know, it's matte black. It looks really nice. Got some Spigen logos here. It's full all the way around protection. And the buttons on here are an iodized aluminum buttons, and around the camera frame as well. You got your, lanyard loop, hashtag team no lanyard. That's me.
That's the fact, Jack.
And on the inside, it's got a nice suede protection for the inside. And this is all flat, there's no bump that comes in here for the camera or anything like that. It's a nice flat finish with that suede. It does have in the corners, it does have an air cushion type of technology. And this is also military grade drop protection. It doesn't say by how many feet, but waist high. You shouldn't be chucking your phone or anything like that. You should be good.
He ain't lying.
And if you're enjoying this kind of content, why don't you go ahead and hit that sub button. And also, this is covered in a diamond cut, anodized type, coating. I don't know. It's something, but I tell you what, one, it feels nice, and two, other carbon fiber type cases that I've had, they get really bad fingerprints. This one doesn't seem to get, the amount of fingerprints, that other cases have gotten. So I've got my scale here, set on grams. Let's see how much this thing weighs. 41 grams. For a carbon fiber type, bulletproof type case, that's not too bad. Now let's go ahead and slap her on the phone. Popping it in there. Yeah, that looks really nice, especially with the natural titanium iPhone color that I have, with the aluminum ring around the camera cutout. And you've got the buttons here, and you have got some really good, precise cutouts. Like I said, you've got the full coverage all the way around, and the feel in the hand is good. I'm thinking about comparing this with my Binks case. That one's the DuPont Kevlar case, and the Kevlar is bulletproof. It's got a little bit more grip on the sides here when you're holding it in the hand than the Binks. If you got any questions about comparing the two, I am gonna do a video comparing this with the Binks, and let me know down in the comments below of what questions that you may have. Now, as far as the lip protection goes, this has got it's okay around the screen here. I would like it a little bit higher, but it's nice and rounded, so it doesn't feel like it's cutting into your fingers, or there's no raise on the edges. But you should be able not to worry when you set it down flat on a table. Camera cutouts here, it's got some good protection. It's pretty, not the deepest, but not the shallowest. You should be okay there when you go to set your phone down. How about those buttons? It's got some good clicky buttons, and the action button's good. The clickiness, put it to the microphone, pretty clicky. Back tap works and works good. Let's check out the magnets, because this year Spigen's magnets have been a far improvement over last year's. The 01 case I had really good magnets. The classic C1 that I had, you know, those magnets weren't as good as the 01, so I'm hoping that these are 01 type magnets here. And I've got my magnet paper here, and it's, you know, it's got the dewdrop, it's got all of it. You know, they look pretty intense for the magnets, but of course, you know, we've got to test out the charge and do a little shake test.
Aha!
So I have got my portable charger here that is a 160 grams. So let's see. Yeah, it'll charge. And 160 grams, shake test. Let me find a nice place so I'm not clicking buttons. And here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Yeah, that's... You get more than medium shake hard. Medium to hard shakeage out of this thing. This thing is really, yeah, it's got the magnets. I think you will, whatever wallet or whatever thing you got going on back here, it's even got a really good lock for the dewdrop part of the magnet case. Not so much going to this way as it is that way, but yeah, that's pretty decent. But yeah, good shakeage. And if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel, well, that would just be swell. Peace and love, y'all.